Hello, welcome everyone to my channel. In this video I will show you how to find new meme coins that have the potential of making a 100 or 200 or 500x. Many beginning traders find it difficult to pick out good coins. They see other traders buy a coin for $100 and turn it into $50,000 in just a few hours. But what they forget is that most of these whale traders have insider information or trade in groups like Potion Alpha, which is one of the best trading communities for meme coins. Meme coins are notorious for their massive volatility, and some tokens reach millions in market cap within hours of launching. It is difficult to trade meme coins on your own as a beginner, especially if you have no access to Insider Alpha or don't have a list of experienced traders that you follow on X or Telegram. If you want access to a list of good traders, you can follow my list of Degen meme coin traders on X. The link to my Twitter list is in the description below this video. Let's identify some good coins on BullX, which is the favorite exchange for many traders. If you don't have a BullX account, you can use my link below and get a 10% discount on all your trading fees. You also won't be placed on the waiting list with 100,000 people if you use my link, so it's a win-win for you. We are in the Pump Vision page, where we can analyze new coins. There are three sections here: the new creations, the about to graduate, and the graduated coins. The new creation tokens are high risk, high reward coins. This is where you find new coins which have just been created on pump.fun. They have the potential for massive returns, but it requires careful research and scanning for many hours to find them. If you are just starting out with a small budget like $100, your margin for error is limited, so I would stay away from these new coins if you are a beginner. It's much better to focus on coins that are transitioning from the about to graduate to the graduated coins, as these are closer to reaching trading platforms like Radium. When meme coins reach 90,000 market cap, they get listed on exchanges like Radium and Jupiter, and they also get listed on DexScreener. Graduated coins are the best place to find good coins with decent tokenomics. These coins have a market cap of around $100,000 or more, and a potential Radium listing can trigger more interest in the token. However, many coins fail once they get listed on Radium, because early investors like to take out some profits, which causes the price to retrace 60 to 70%. Volume is a key factor when selecting a good coin. A minimum volume of 200,000 is essential. Volume directly correlates with price action. Look for coins that are experiencing explosive growth to ride the first wave of gains. Consider the name of the token, the narrative, and the social media presence to see if a coin has a unique theme or ties to trending topics. These factors can drive community engagement across platforms like TikTok, X, and YouTube. A big holder count is another indicator of a good coin. Use the filter settings to look for coins with minimum 1 social, the dev holding maximum 15% of the token supply, $10,000 liquidity, 300,000 market cap, and at least 2,000 holders. Avoid meme coins that fail to establish momentum early on. Some coins reach a 50,000 market cap only to crash shortly after getting listed on Radium. If you find an interesting coin, copy and paste the token address in the TrenchRadar Telegram bot to see if a token is bundled. If the coin comes bundled for more than 20%, I don't trade it. Another sign that you found a good coin is by looking the address up in CallBot Analyzer to see if multiple wallets are trading the token. If you see a lot of wallets buy or trade the token, then that's a good sign. In conclusion, look for coins with a strong narrative, a high trading volume and market cap, a big holder base, and unbundled wallets. With careful analysis and a bit of luck, you could tap into the next 100x meme coin. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for being here again, and trade safely. Bye bye.